Hi, this is Raphael, and before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel, then please go and prove yourself that you are not a gay bot by subscribing the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. Alright,
this way you can help and support the channel to grow, and it doesn't cost you anything to support or subscribe someone's channel, right?
you all know in custom ROMs you don't get good cameras. It comes with very basic cameras. You don't get much options, right? So in this video I will show you how to install GCam. You can download the APK from the link in the description. Alright, now install the GCam APK. Okay, it got installed, right? Now go to your internal storage. Go to internal storage and locate your GCam folder. Now this is the GCam folder, right? Now go to configs and clear these files, right? Now you need config file. You need this config file. You can get it from the link in the description, right? Now copy or move this config file to GCam config and copy here. Okay, now launch the camera, GCam camera, give access. Okay, now this is how it looks without configs. Okay, right now the config is not updated. Alright, so to update the configs, you see these black colors, right? Blank space, black color. Double tap on it and you will get the option to choose config, right? Now click on update. Now the UI of the camera is changed, right? Now this is how you can install and use config GCam properly in your device, right? Now you get the option here: 48 megapixel, 12 megapixel, wide angle, telephoto lens. You get night sight, and the camera is good. They add some cinematic colors and cinematic effects, right? You can shoot video 60 fps. Bad of this camera is that when you focus at the object, the color becomes dark. I will give Telegram group link in the description. You can join the group and you can download different GCams and use different config files in your device right now.
So awesome peoples, if you like watching custom ROM flashing, custom ROMs update, then consider subscribing the channel, and this way you can help and support the channel to grow, right?
Thank you. Peace out. Goodbye.